Hello. In this video I will demonstrate how to get from this solid to the fully detailed final product without use of any sketch in a so-called takeaway modeling technique. In the episode number 4 we will design all the parts of the assembly in such a way that they will represent the puzzle which can be assembled together only the right way. You're welcome to my YouTube channel called Autodesk Inventor. My name is Aleksander Sekirnik. We will remodel parts of the assembly utilizing direct edit tools. This is the fastest and most convenient method for changing object shape. Because we are sticking to the takeaway modeling technique without utilizing any sketch, we will slice the root part of the tail assembly into many pieces so that we will be able to remodel its shape utilizing direct editing tools. This will ensure that the part will become unsymmetric and that the user will not be able to flip it over and assemble it the wrong way. Once that the part is split into many solids, we can utilize direct editing tool and pull out the faces that we just created. Pretty simple procedure with a great result. Once that the part is remodeled and finished, we will simply glue it back together. To do this, we use the function combine with the option add, so the 5 solids will become one solid again, like at the beginning. We will also remodel all the rib elements. We'll make them longer on both sides. That will enable the final user of the product to assemble them at correct distance. After changing the length of the first rib element with direct tools, we will make also other rib elements longer. Very useful function is the option snap to. In case that we want to change the length of the first rib again, all the other rib elements will adapt to the new length. Maybe the option snap to of the direct edit tools is not practical at the ribs front end. We will utilize parameter YY, which equals 3 mm. At the end of modifying tail ribs, I will add some fillets and chamfers to make orientation of particular element more obvious. Of course, this is only optional. As expected, we have incorporated many interferences. We will solve this by editing individual parts, copying parts that are causing interferences, and combine the base part with those interfering parts using the option of subtracting the solids. For obtaining the correct result, the selection order is very important. Follow my moves as seen in the video. Our work is now done. We will just once again check for interference and as you can see by the result, we were very successful. So this concludes the episode of modeling parts without utilizing sketch with the so-called takeaway modeling technique. So thank you for watching, for staying with me. Please do not forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and to hit the bell so that you will be notified about my next videos. You can also follow me on Twitter or Facebook. Thank you and goodbye.